get mixed up with, some people don't like, is a Mediterranean blend. It could be from Italy and Spain, Tunisia, Spain, Greece, all mixed up, but it's extra virgin oil. Some people I use this for sauteing only, okay? All right. But basically everything else I use is Italian and Greek. Okay, so there is Spanish olive oil, there's Tunisian olive oil. We have olive oil from all over the world. Sicilian olive oil is just to die for. It's excellent, beautiful olive oil, kind of like the Sicilian lemons, which are coming from the ground, from the volcanic acid and beautiful soil, everything that comes there that grows, and it's just delightful.
What's the difference between the olive oil and the butter, though?
Okay, well, olive oil is a fat, okay? However, you get the benefits, the heart-healthy benefits from olive oil. Now, butter, yes, it's a saturated fat. Again, it's a saturated fat. But butter is from a cow, right? They churn it, they make butter, okay? So that's animal fat. This is tree fat or olive fat because the olives are then harvested and pressed and turned into that. I use a blend. Sometimes I use a little butter with olive oil or just butter all by itself. It's all up to everybody's choice what you use, okay? So everybody uses, even lard some people use. I wouldn't use lard, but that's just me, okay? I like the heart-healthy benefits of a beautiful, beautiful Mediterranean diet. So all of these items play a beautiful role in the Mediterranean diet. And for those of you that haven't tried it yet, you need to Google it. It takes a bit of adjustment when you go to 3/4 vegetables and 1/4 protein, okay? So protein, whether it be chicken, fish, okay, lamb, beef, even beef, if it's very lean beef, and you're using lean cuts, okay? All right, so there we have it. So this is Peter Carpizzo's Kitchen. Remember, it costs nothing to subscribe. All you have to do is hit the subscribe and hit the like button for us too, because you know we've got almost 3,000 subscribers and counting every day. It keeps going up. So take a look at our playlist. Go to our channel page. It is called Heal, Lead, and Teach Carpizzo's Kitchen. You'll see everything there that you need to see. And we also do meditative tapes, and we also do work to help you cope better in the world. So you might want to take a look at Anthony and all of the things he does under Heal, Lead, and Teach. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's Kitchen. Thanks for watching us. We appreciate you stopping by, and the next episode will be coming up, and we will go through Mediterranean proteins in the diet and what is used for that. Okay, so this is Peter Carpizzo's. As always, we love you all. Hit the like button, hit the share button, watch everything, the playlist. And this is Pete. Don't forget to look at the playlist here and the playlist there. We've got it covered for you. I've done over 4,000 videos so far on everything imaginable from soup to nuts. So this is Peter Carpizzo's out.